Hi everyone. So in today's video I'm going to show you that how to deploy a front-end Node.js into a container in our Docker Hub. Okay. So this is our a test repository here. So I given his name as the front-end Node.js, and you can see this is my code actually. So first I will do here, I will clone this website here. Okay. So I will open my terminal here, and I will go to downloads here, or I will go here for desktop here. Okay, now I will just write here git clone, and I will mention here the link. Okay, so after doing this, I can see here my frontend node.js repository has been cloned successfully here. Now I will go here, I will just open my repository here, that is frontend node.js app in node in VS Code. And as you can see here, this is my code actually here. So I've mentioned here as port number 3000, and first I need to install here the node modules here. So I need to open my terminal here. I will just write here npm I. Okay, so after writing this, and now I will write here node index.js, since my file name is index.js, and you can see here that my application is running on 3000. Yeah, so this is my website, a test website actually. Now what I will do here, I will just press ctrl C to close my server here. Now I need to write a line here, that is docker init. Since this is a node.js website, so docker init what will helps here to create the docker files, and also to mention, also to write the other meta files in compose.yaml file automatically. So if I write here docker init, it will analyze my website here, some analyze my repository to check whether in which application it has been run, it has been written. So in for my case, it is showing here that a node, and in the bracket is being written here detected. Okay, so I will just press here enter. Now it will ask for the version. So it has detected current version of 20. So I will just simply press enter, and which package manager which I am using at, so I am using package manager, that is npm. Okay, now I will just press enter here. And what command do you want to use to start the application? So I will just write here node index dot js. Okay, so npm start or npm run dev, it may be useful if you are creating a React application as a container. So in that case it may be useful for you. So for my case, I'm writing here in node index.js. Okay, so I will just press enter here. And which port does your server want to listen on? So in my index.js, it is being mentioned here as 3000, so I need to mention here as 3000. Okay, and just press enter here. So it is telling that there are 4 files have been created here, that is docker ignore docker file and compose.yaml file, docker readme.docker file here. Okay, so after doing this, yeah, you can see here this my files have been created here. Now what I will do, I will just open my terminal here, and will just I will containerize this one as I will just here write here docker build hyphen t, and the container name as I will write here restaurants front end, restaurants app. Okay, just no need to make the container name so much big. I will just writing here restaurants app, and I need to give a space and just press here a dot. Okay, doing this, my application where it is building, and it may take some time to build, because depending upon my node.js application size here. Okay, after doing this, now I need to mention here, I need to just check that whether my docker is running here or not. I will just simply write here docker run hyphen d hyphen p and mention my port here as 3000 with 3000. Okay, and the container name is restaurants app. So I will just simply copy this one and just paste it here. Okay, then presenter. So I'm getting here the container id here. So for container id now I will just reload this website because the port number is same for both of it. So yeah, I can see here that website that doesn't get broken up. That's mean that is being running here. I will just recheck once again. Yeah, so my website is being running here from my docker container, and also we can see this here also restaurants app here. So you can also place it from here so that you can also get to take a look on this website. After doing this, um, I will just now I need to tag this docker here so that I can push it into my docker hub in my personal account here. So I will just write here docker tag, and I will just copy this name. Okay, the copy this name of my docker container here. It is restaurants app hyphen app, and now I need to mention here as my username. Okay, so from where I will get my username, you can during signing up for docker, you can see your url, sorry, your profile name is being mentioned here as username, that is dmm price here. For my case it is being dmm price. You can also go into your browser and search for docker, and also you will get your profile name here, that is dmm price. And I will just go here and will just write here slash and the repository name which I need to give here. So I can give the repository name as restaurants app, no problem. Okay, just press enter here. So after pressing enter, I haven't got any error. That means it has been properly tagged with my restaurants app. Now I need to write here docker push the username along with my repository name here. Just copy this one and just paste this here. I will just write here this one. Okay, so after doing this, just push it, just press enter. So yeah, it will take some time to push into the docker hub. That means I think I have successfully pushed my code. Now I need to see this whether it has been gone or not into the push my docker hub. I need to press here my profile here. Yeah, I have got this restaurants app. Okay, so now this container is being publicly available for everyone so that anyone can pull it from the docker hub from your account. Okay, so let me show you that how to pull it into your docker into your local machine. If anyone is using uh, doesn't have your access of this website locally, he can pull it from the docker hub. Just open terminal here. Okay, and just copy this command here, the command which I have written here. Just copy this one, just paste it here, dmm price slash restaurants app. Yeah, it is, yeah, it's being pulled successfully. Now I need to write that command here for running the website here, that is docker run uh, hyphen d hyphen p 3000 restaurant app. So in the place of restaurant app, since it is my local container name, I need to mention the public container name here, this one. Okay, copy this one and just simply press enter. So yeah, I have got a new container id here. Now I can go to my docker. Okay, docker desktop. After going to my docker desktop, you can see the last container name Yeah, dmempire/restaurant. So if I press enter here, so yeah, so my website, I have got my website from the Docker Hub, and now I can successfully run it from here. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone. If you have any queries, you can ask it from my comment section, so I will give answer it accordingly. Thank you everyone.